Kareem girlfriend, Tony.
What about her?
She no can dance.
Yeah man, she teach too.
Yeah man, she come out to come David some dance class too, you know.
Yeah man, but we da wait for Dada to tell me when the thing up and running.
No man, we're up and running man. I think him have a group of forward in the end of the month, yeah. See, just make sure you come be part of the thing, man. You see me? But differently from that, my girlfriend, she need an extra dance and I think she could have feel us like that.
That sound like a plan. So here we do. Just give me the details of when she have rehearsal and I will just make Tony and forward.
Say less man. I thought about that. I make you deal with it. Feel more comfortable, you know, you see me?
That is it. Family will say. Quick, whisper. Whisper. One of the general for the ground.
Okay, man. Yes, what kind of family though? So I'm gonna say already? Maybe.
So you know, say if you see him on the ends and you see him at the rehearsal, I want a week.
Yeah man, Miss Brissett, everything good man. I mean, Bobby. Brother, you sure me no know you?
You might see me as, but you don't know.
We don't know each other now. So, keep the link. I'll move again now.
Yeah man, thanks you. Give me a listen here.
No problem, anytime.
Up in a bad bro.
Outside.
Yeah man. Oh, that boy.
I would have killed somewhere.
Che, go out now, but go and go work. Just go and go work.
In cute, by the way, no.
Yeah, no. Go and go work, man.